So first of all, I offer my humble, respectful Dandavat Pranam. Lotus feet of Gurupad, Padma Nitya Lila Prishtam Vishnupad, Ashtottara Satimad Bhakti Vedanta Sravamana Goswami Maharaj, and Nitya Lila Prishtam Vishnupad, Ashtottara Satimad Bhakti Vedanta Sravamana Goswami Maharaj. Simultaneously offer my humble, respectful Dandavat Pranam. Lotus feet of Nitya Lila Prishtam Vishnupad, Ashtottara Satasya Srimad Bhakti Vedanta Srila Swami Maharaj and all senior devotees and all of Vaishnavis and presented all of my respectful guests. In Radharas Sudhanidhi, Srila Prabodhananda Saraswati Pad very nicely glorified about Srimati Radhika, Radha Nishtha. Radha Nishtha house should be one pointed with the lotus feet of Srimati Radhika. Radha Namo Sudharasam Rasayutung Jihastu me Bihala Padu Tat Padankitam Anucharatah Binda Otobi Su Tat Karmaiva Karo Karotu Hidayam Tassapadang Dhayantvam Tad Bhavo Utsavang Parang Bhavantu me Mat Prano Nataste Rati. In this verse, Srila Prabodhananda Saraswati Pad, he is saying, Radha Namo Sudha Rasam Rasayitu Jihastume Bihala. When my tongue will be always chant Radha Nam. Which name? Radha Nam. Meri Radha Nam Rasa Sudha. Always I will drink the sweet nectar of Srimati Radhika, Radhanam. And when I will chant Radhanam, then I completely bewilderment. Behal ho jaun. And always I will walk in the path of Vrindavan, where Srimati Radhika, she performed her sweet amorous pastime, her beloved Krishna. In this way, I also engaged my hand to serve to Srimati Radhika. Tat karmaika karo Tassa Padam Vyakhato. In this way, I engaged my tongue, engaged my feet, and engaged my hands. How to serve to Srimati Radhika. So saying, Tat karmaiva karo karotu hidayam tassa padam dhayatang. Tad bhav utsava parang bhajatu me tad nama pranaste vriti. Because how Srimati Radhika, she completely absorbed with her beloved Krishna. In the same way, always I absorbed with Srimati Radhika. Radha Namo Sudharasam. In this verse, Srila Brihat Bhagavatamrita Sanatana Goswami Pad explained Nam Sankirtan. There are many processes to attain to abode of Lord. But topmost process to abode of Lord, that is called Nama Sankirtanam. Sanatana Goswami Pad in Brihat Bhagavatamrita explained regarding chanting holy names, Nam Sankirtan, and remembering the pastimes of Krishna and Srimati Radhika. Then our mind will concentrate with divine Radha and Krishna. Nama sankirtanam prokta jasya premat padati varishta sadhanam prishta parama akrishanavat tameva mannate bhakti phalam tad rasikai janai bhagavata prema sampado sadaiva abhyabhicharatah. How to attain to Krishna Prem. Because in this Kali Yuga there are no any other process attain to Krishna Prem. Only one process. That is called Nama Sankirtana. Yesterday I told Tulsidas, what did he say? Remember? Kali Yuga mein kevala Nama Adhara Sumeru Sumeru Nara Utarihi Para. In this Kali Yuga, only regarding chanting holy names, then we attend to abode of Lord. ये कली युग में केवल नाम आधारा. Adhara means completely taking shelter of Nam Sankirtan. By the performing karma, jnana, yoga and tapasya, no one can attain to Lord. Only Nam Sankirtan. So there are 5 processes to performing bhajan sadhan. For this regard, Srila Rupa Goswami Pad explained, there are 5 processes to attain to Lord. Sadhu Sangha, Nam Sankirtan, Bhagavad Shravan, Mathura Vas, Simurti Shraddha Sevan. Sakal sadhan shrestha. এই পাঁচের মুখ্য অঙ্গ কৃষ্ণ প্রেম জন্মায় পাঁচের অল্প সঙ্গ. Chaitanya Charitamrita again explain this. There are 5 processes. Sadhu Sangha, always associate with Sadhu Sangha. Sadhu Sangha, Nam Sankirtan. Second, Sadhu Sangha, Nam Sankirtan. Regarding chanting holy names with Sadhu. Sadhu Sangha, Nam Sankirtan. Bhagavad Shravan. You have to listen Srimad Bhagavad Kathamritam. Sadhu Sangha, Nam Sankirtan, Bhagavad Shravan or Mathura Vas. Mathura Vas means you have to stay in Mathur Mandal. That is called Vrindavan. And topmost place that is called Radha Kunda. Always I am saying the Radha Kunda Vas. But how will stay on the bank of Radha Kunda? If possible, you can stay in Radha Kunda with your body. Or if not possible stay in Radha Kunda, you have to stay in your mind. Wherever you would stay, but always remember to Radha Kunda Katha. Radha Kunda means is Srimati Radhika herself. Kundir Mahima Jani Radhar Mahima. The glories of Radha Kunda are not different from Srimati Radhika. Because Srimati Radhika, she herself manifest in the form of Radha Kunda. We are looking Radha Kunda just one pond. This is our material vision. Jada Chakku Jada Dishya. With our material vision, what are you looking? This is just one pond. Actual Radha Kunda is non different from Srimati Radhika. Srimati Radhika herself manifests in her प्रेम. प्रेम में द्रवीभूत होकर के राधा कुंड प्रकाशित हुआ है. You understand? Radha Kunda means is what? Srimati Radhika, she herself melted the form of Radha Kunda. This is the process. But according our mental, mundane mental, Jadaman, Jod, all our material senses. So we are thinking this is pond. Actually this is not the pond. Radha Kunda Srimati Radhika herself. She manifested by her divine love. Premidi. So Radha Kunda Vas. Only try to stay in Radha Kunda. Tannama Rubuchaitadi Sukritana Anusmritu Kramena Rasana Manosi Nijajjo Tishtan Braji Tadanuragi Jananugami Kalanganayad Akilam Itto Upadisa Saram. This is the essence of all my nectar of instruction. Rupa Goswami Pad, he said, this is the essence all of my nectar of instruction. Upadesamritam. Yitannama rupacharitadi sukritananu smrito kramena rasana manosi nijajjo tishtan braje tadanuragi jananugami kalanganayed akilam itta upadesa saram. But how to stay in Radhakunda in your mind? Always remember Radhakunda Katha. You can stay anywhere. In your physical body, you can stay anywhere. But always remember Radhakunda Katha. Because Radhakunda is non-difference from also Srimati Radharani. So that means when you glorified about Srimati Radhika or Radhakunda, that means you are staying in Radhakunda. Understand? So for this regard, Prabodhananda Saraswati Pad in this verse explain Radha Nama Sudha Rasam Rasayutu Jihastume Bihala. All is my mind. Absorbed with Radha Nam. Radha Namo Sudha Rasam Rasayutu Jihastume Bihala. Padu tat padankitam sucharataha. Or my feet always roaming and walking in the sweet amorous pastimes place of Srimati Radhika and her beloved Krishna. राधा कृष्ण गोविंद के वो स्थान में हम विचरण करते रहे. कैसे विचरण करेंगे? हाउ टू रोमिंग? बोले ऑलवेज रिमेम्बर श्रीमती राधिका's lotus feet. This is the process also. Radha Nam. And then Radha Charan Smaran. Always you remember in past lotus feet of Srimati Radhika. So saying Padu tat padankitam sucharata binda atavi vidhisu. And especially in Vrindavan, Srimati Radhika, she performs her sweet aromas pastimes, and that place always you remember. And so Vishwanath Chakravarti Pad explain Radha Adhipatta Vrindavanam Vasam Mamastu me. Radha Adhipatta Bhumi. And that place which completely was dominated by Srimati Radhika. Which place completely and absolutely dominated by Srimati Radhika? Radha Kunda. So maybe you confused. We are saying, discuss about Vrindavan Katha, then Radha Kunda. Actual Vrindavan, there is two types of Vrindavan we are saying. One is called Panchakoshi Vrindavan, another is called Brihat Vrindavan. 5 crores of Vrindavan. We are doing parikrama. Or another is called Brihat Vrindavan. Brihat Vrindavan, Radha Kund to Nandagaon, all these places called Brihat Vrindavan. Not Chaurasi. Brihat Vrindavan is saying this way. Radha Kund to Nandagaon, Barshana, and everything included, that is called Brihat Vrindavan. And so in Brihat Vrindavan, there is a Radha Kund also. Inside the Brihat Vrindavan, that is called Radha Kund. Panchakoshi Vrindavan, that is not inside in Vrindavan, Radha Kund. But when you discuss about Brihat Vrindavan, that means Radha Kund is coming in there. And this. One is called Antargriha Parikrama, another is called Antargriha Parikrama, or another is called outer side of Parikrama. Antargriha means inside. When you used to go Vrindavan Parikrama, and that time we are going different temple. Understand? We are going Govinda, Gopinath, Madan Mohan in Vrindavan. That is called Antargriha Parikrama. Or another is called, what is called just Antargriha and going to the Parikrama to all the places. Just a Sanskrit word. One is called Antargriha Parikrama. Okay, you can see Brajmandala Parikrama books, they are saying this way. So, so Radha Kunda is very important. And so here Prabhupada Saraswati Pad explained, and my feet always engaged to parikrama of the specific place which was dominated by Srimati Radhika. So saying Radha Adhipatta Vrindavanam Bhasam Mamastume. Which place is completely, absolutely dominated by Srimati Radhika. Already I am saying this katha. That is called Radha Kunda. Because Radha Kunda, only Srimati Radhika and her Sakhis, they can enter. Because Srimati is 4 types of Sakhis. One is called Sapaksha, Vipaksha and Tatastha Paksha. Sapaksha means those Sakhis are just belongs to Srimati Radhika. That is called Sapaksha Sakhis. Lalita, Visakha, they are called Sapaksha Sakhis. Or Vipaksha, those who are opposite party of Srimati Radhika. That is called Vipaksha Sakhis, opposite of Srimati Radhika. That is called Chandravali. Chandravali's party is there also. But these Sakhis of Chandravali, they cannot enter in Radha Kunda. So where they are staying? Where the Sakhis of Chandravali they are staying? The Sakhis of Chandravali. Sakhistali. Sakhistali, there is one specific place in there also. And that is called Sakhistali place. So, Sakhistali place. Srimati Radhika and her Sakhis, they are not also going. Who is going? Chandravali Sakhis. Eh? Once one Brajavasi, he bought some, what is it called, buttermilk, matha, and one the big lip cups, and offered to Raghunath Das Goswami. Raghunath Das Goswami asked to the Brajavasi, every day you bought the buttermilk with the small lip cup. But today where did you get this big lip cups? The Brajavasi is very simple. He told, today I went Sakhistali. Sakhistali means the place of Chandravali. So I saw there this big lip cups for the regard I brought. Then when I heard this, then Raghunath Daswami became very angry. Raghunath Daswami, he took one stick and tried to beat him. Then the Brajavasi ran away. He did not understand the inner heart of Raghunath Das Goswami. Raghunath Das Goswami is saying, oh, you went to the place of Sakhistali, place of Chandravali, who is a rival of my Sakhi Srimati Radhika. So for this regard, Shastra is saying, you should not go the place of Sakhistali, the place of Chandravali. If you go the place of Sakhistali, Chandravali, then Srimati Radhika will not accept you. So just I also explain this way. Sometimes Chandravali's party, they also used to come Giriraj Govardhan. But in Radha Kunda, Jogmaya, she completely were protected. That place completely protected by Jogmaya. Only Srimati Radhika and her Sakhis can go. So always remember about Radha Kundam. So here also saying, Padu tat karma kankita sucharatam vrindadavi vidhisu tat karmaika kara karotu hidam tassa padang dhyanstam tad bhavu utsang param bhavatu me tat prananatha erati. Always my hand engaged to serve to Srimati Radhika. ये भजन रस ग्रंथ, 5th sadhan, 5th chapter, श्लोक number 16. So, always my hand engaged to serve to Srimati Radhika. In our hand, what will do? Radha Krishna Pranamora Jugal Kishora Jivane Marane Goti Ar Nahi Mora. Gathiya Malatir Mala Diva Duhar Gale Adhare Tuliya Diva Korpura Tambule. Nattam Das Thakur sang this song. I will make very nice, beautiful garland and offer to divine couple Radha and Krishna. That means my hand always engaged to serve Srimati Radhika. And in my hand I will cleaning, brooming in the kunja of Srimati Radhika. And tad bhav utsavam parang bhavatu me tat prananathaste rati. And always absorbed in same mood of Srimati Radhika. Radha Dasa means this. अभीरपल्ली पतिपुत्र कांता दस्साभिलषिता बलासवार श्रीरूप चिंता मनीषोक्ति संस्थो मत्संतो दुर्दांतो हये सुरस्तम. Raghunath Das Goswami composed this verse. Avirapalli patiputra kanta dassa vilasita balasavara sirupa chinta manisopti sangsto matsanto durdanto haye surastam. My mind is as a galloping horse. Race course horse. Have you been race course horse? No. रेस कोर्स हॉर्स में गए कभी? हॉर्सेस रेस है देखा कभी नहीं? कहाँ देखा? ब्राइटन गए कभी नहीं? हैं? कैसे दौड़ता रहता है एंड जंपिंग. वो कैसे रहता है? वो बैरियर रहता है, बैरियर अप डाउन अप डाउन ऐसे करके. हैं? हैं? Jumping that were there. Sometimes they are running, then jumping and jumping. They going this. Why saying this? Because here Raghunath Das Goswami, he composed these words, balasya bara. Asa means ghoda, horse. My mind is as like galloping horse, and going this. And always remembering the pastimes of Srimati Radhika and same mood of Rupa Manjari. How Rupa Manjari she served to Srimati Radhika. In the same mood I served to Srimati Radhika under guidance of Rupa Manjari. Rupanugatta Bhajan. Actually Raghunath Das Goswami in this verse explain how to serve to Srimati Radhika under guidance of Rupa Manjari. Serve to Srimati Radhika but under guidance of Rupa Manjari. So this version, Avirapalli patiputra kanta dassa vilasita balasavara sirupa chinta manisapti sangsto matsanto durdanto hai surasta. So here in this context also explain this way. But how to attain? By only Nam Sankirtan. They are saying also this. Nama Sankirtan Prakta Krishnasya Prema Sampadati Barishta Sadhanam Preshtam Paramo Akarsana Mantravat Tadeva Mannante Bhakti Phalam Tad Rasikai Janaim Bhagavat Prema Sampado Sadaiva Bhavicharataha. Brihad Bhagavatam Sanatana Goswami Pad composed these verses. And you attain your perfection goal just chanting holy names. Nama Sankirtan. So Sadhu Sangha, Nam Sankirtan, Bhagavad Shravan और Mathura Vas और Srimurti Shraddha Shravan. These are 5 limbs of Bhakti now. Raganuga Bhakti these are called the 5 limbs of Bhakti. Raganuga sadhana. Sadhu Sangha, Nam Sankirtan, associated with sadhu. Nam Sankirtan and chant holy names. And Sadhu Sangha, Nam Sankirtan, Bhagavad Shravan. You have to listen. Srimad Bhagavad Kathamritam. Tava Kathamritam Tapta Jivanam कविभिरीडितं कल्मषापहं श्रवणमङ्गलं श्रीमदाततं भुवि गृह्णन्ति ते भूरिदा जना. This verse composed by Srimati Radhika, she herself recited this verse. Because when Krishna disappeared from Ras dance, then all the gopis, they came on the bank of Jamuna and they recited many verses, glorified to Krishna. Different gopis also. And because this Ras dance is called, which Ras dance? Panchayati Ras dance. Panchayati Ras dance means all types of gopis they assembled. All kinds of gopis they also. Sapaksha, Vipaksha, Tarsapaksha, Svidpaksha, Shrutichari, Munichari, or Sadhana Siddha, Nitya Siddha, and all types of gopis they assembled. And different gopis they also recited these slokas also. But this slokas is Tava Kathamritam Tapta Jivan. This sloka recited by Srimati Radhika herself. Saying Tava Kathamritam Tapta Jivanam Kavivireditam Kalmasahapam Sravanamangalam Srimadattatam Bhuviginnanti te Bhurida jana Bhurida jana Bhurida jana Bhurida jana Bhurida jana. There, in this material world, many donors. They are giving many kinds of charity donation to. But best donor, and hey, listen, who is the best donor? One who glorifies pastimes of Krishna. Krishna Kathamritam. Because only Krishna Katha can protect from Maya. क्या बोला? कृष्ण कथा केवल हमको रक्षा कर सकते हैं. If you not listen Krishna Katha, any method, you cannot protect from Maya. So Krishna Katha is very powerful. So saying Tava Katham Mritam. Hey Krishna, your Katha is as like sweet nectar. And if you drink nectar, then you will become immortal. Sinnatang Sakata Krishna Punna Sravana Kirtana Siddhansa Javadranadi Vidulti Svidisatam Nashta Prayesu Abhadrisu Nittang Bhagavata Sevaya. Katha Sarvan. You are listening Krishna Katha, means Krishna himself entered in your ears and coming in your heart and clean all unwanted things from his heart. Then your heart will be very neat and clean. And as like, what is it called? Crystal. Neat and clean. Manivat Ujjal. And completely your neat and clean, brightness will come. And in your soft heart, then Krishna will sit. This is Nam Sankirtan. It's very powerful. Here Nam Sankirtan means Hari Katha Sravan, Bhagavad Sravan. So Tava Srimad Bhagavad Sravan, Tava Katham Mritam So your katha is sweet nectar. Another way, opposite way here. Your katha, Krishna katha is very and poison. Eh? If you listen Krishna katha, then everything will be finished.
All your material desires will be
Eh?
all your material desires will be finished.
Then your material desires will finish. Eh? What do you want? People are people are afraid. People, they are very afraid. Eh? Because they are suffering in this material world. Eh? They want to अरे एंजॉय नहीं, वो क्या दुख भोगना चाहते हैं. They want to suffer. Actually, this is true. Externally, they are thinking, I am happy. Actually, they are suffering. जिस दिन दुख के हम दुख समझ पाएंगे, उस दिन हमारे जीवन सफल हो जाए. क्या बोला?
That day when you think that suffering is really actually suffering, then we are.
That is a good day.
Good day.
When you realize
When you realize
what suffering really means, then that day.
really means this way. When you really realize this material world,
What do you mean?
When you realize you're suffering.
when you realize that I am suffering in this material world, just all you are suffering in this material world, but we are thinking I am happy. If you ask anybody, how are you? I am happy. Actually, we are not happy. All we are suffering three-folds of mind. These are things. But when you will think, oh, I am suffering, and how to attend to abode of Lord. That time these types of your desire will come. This is the process also. But conditioned soul, but this is what they have no idea these things. जिस दिन दुख के दुख समझ पाओगे, उस दिन ही तुम्हारी जीवन सफल हो जाए. अभी दुख के तो सुख समझ रहे हैं ना. क्या बोला?
You think you are happy, and you're actually unhappy.
दुख के हम सुख समझ रहे हैं. Now we are thinking we are happy.
I said the same thing.
Understand? Actually, we are not happy. समझ में आ रही कि नहीं समझ में आ रही? समझने के बहुत कठिन होता है.
Go on, Balaram, you explain, you know.
It's like when you realize you are suffering in this world.
When you are realize suffering, I am suffering. आसन तब तो भगवान के निकट हम प्रार्थना करेंगे, ये प्रभु इस संसार से हमें उद्धार की. समझिए.
Then you pray to God to deliver from this.
Then Lord will listen your prayer. Now Lord is not listening your prayer because you are not thinking you are suffering. You are thinking I am happy.
You need Sukriti for realize that? How to realize the suffering.
When Lord's mercy will come, Bhagavad Kripa. When you receive the mercy of Lord, then you think, really I am suffering. And this is the process also. And so this song is singing, Sansar Karagari. And okay, what is the song? This Sajanta said that this song is there. हाँ, वही प्रेमेरो ठाकुर गोरा प्राणेरो जातो ना কিবা কব নাথ হয়েছি আপন হার। হ্যাঁ, শ্রী গুরু কৃপায় ভেঙেছে স্বপন, বুঝেছি এখন তুমি তুমি তো আপন। হ্যাঁ, দিস सॉन्ग इज वेरी इम्पोर्टेंट। कहाँ जाना है? 8 बजे, 8:30 बजे था।
9 बजे का टाइम है।
हाँ, तो जाना पड़ेगा, यू हैव टू गो। है হ্যাঁ, শ্রী গুরু কৃপায় ভেঙেছে স্বপন, বুঝেছি এখন তুমি তো আপন, তব নিজ জন পরম বান্ধব সংসার কারাগারে। হ্যাঁ, by Sri Guru's grace my illusory dream has been broken. I now understand that you alone are mine, and that your associates are my greatest friends in this prison house of material existence. This verse is very important. Sri Guru Kripay bhengiche sapan. Now all you are dreaming or not? What dreaming? Midnight. एक हिंदी में कभी मैं चुटकी सुनाता हूँ। एक राजा के जो है एक देहरक्षी था। देहरक्षी समझते हो? बॉडीगार्ड। देयर वाज एन किंग, इज वन वेरी बॉडीगार्ड। 24 hours their bodyguard staying with the king. राजा के साथ 24 घंटे बॉडीगार्ड रहता था। तो एक दिन प्रातः काल में वो बॉडीगार्ड राजा के कहने लगे, ये महाराज है, आज मेरे सपने में आ गया है एक ये आप जो जंगल में गए है, पहले हिंदी में बोलता सुनो, नहीं तो समझ में नहीं आए। सुना अच्छी तरह। हमें जंगल में गए है और आपके साथ मैं भी गया। कौन बोल रहे हैं? बॉडीगार्ड राजा के सुना रहे हैं। या आप जंगल में गए, आपके साथ मैं गया और जंगल में एक शेर आपको आक्रमण करने लगे है और वो शेर को है मैंने वो क्या बोले उनको मैंने मार दिया। आप बहुत प्रसन्न हुए और प्रसन्न होकर के मुझे बहुत उपहार दिया, क्योंकि मैं सो मच रिवॉर्ड है। इतना ही कहा करके वो बॉडीगार्ड चुप हो गए। राजा बहुत प्रसन्न हुए है, वाह, तो आज तो मैं शिकार में नहीं जाऊंगा कि कहीं शेर मुझे आक्रमण न करे। उस दिन तो एक दिन तो आपने बचा दिया है, फिर काल जाए तो फिर शेर आक्रमण करेंगे, कौन बचाएंगे है? इसलिए राजा प्रसन्न होकर के तो बॉडीगार्ड को क्या किया? पुरस्कार दिया है। फिर है, अरे पुरस्कार मैंने गिव प्राइज, रिवॉर्ड, पुरस्कार नहीं समझते है? किसी को पुरस्कार देना है मैंने गिव द रिवॉर्ड है। फिर राजा कहने तुमको मैं दंड देता हूं, नाउ आई एम गिविंग punishment to you. When king told, I am give to punishment to you, then other ministers and they asked, why? He protects you and his dream told you everything. And now you are saying, I will give punishment. Why? Why? Because you are my bodyguard. That means why did you sleep? Dream coming where? When?
Night time. Oh, this is true.
Dream when you dreaming. Eh? When you sleeping. You are my bodyguard.
He was on duty.
It is your duty. Eh? And you are sleeping. Well, now understand, this is a simple way.
Just the first part.
In the beginning, you're in Hindi.
In the beginning I told you.
Once there was a king. The king had a bodyguard. The bodyguard came to the king and he said, last night I dreamt in my dream that I protected you from a lion. I killed the lion and I saved your life. And then you rewarded me very nicely.
Then the king.
No, this happened. Okay, yeah.
Oh, okay.
Then the king.
Yeah,
So
and
then he
then
punished him.
he punished he was sleeping. So he said, now I will punish you. Why? Because you should not have been sleeping. You're my bodyguard. You should be awake. In reality, he got punished.
You are my bodyguard. So bodyguard if you sleep. Eh?
How to protect.
How to protect me? Huh? You understand or not?
Yes, yes.
Bodyguard always would be
Alert.
alert. So what is the meaning of bodyguard? Huh? Understand it? So that means you dream means you slept.
Not dream awake.
And you wake up. So actual, all we are dreaming. What dreaming? We are actually there are many times of material sense gratifications and this way. For this guy here, Bhaktivinoda, this song also explained this way. Siguru Kripai, कहाँ गए? Siguru Kripai भेंगेचे सपन बुझेचे एकन तुम है?
Which page?
77.
है? Siguru Kripai भेंगेचे सपन बुझेचे एकन तुम तो आपन. Yeah. By Sri Guru's mercy, my illusory dream has been broken. He has written in there. But without this mercy of Guru and Krishna, you will never conquer the dream. है? सपने को आप सपने से आप बाहर नहीं आ सकते हो. ये लिखा है. श्री गुरु कृपाय भेंगेचे सपन बुझेची एकन. And Tami to Apan. Now we realize you are only belongs to me. And you are my always, ever well wisher.
Can I ask a question?
বুঝেছি এখন তুমি তো আপন তব নিজ জন পরম বান্ধব. That your associates are very greatest friends in this prison house of material existence. है? गौर प्रेमानंदी. है?
Oppression.
पढ़िए प्रकृति.
So, when we are waking from the dream at the beginning, do we get punished? Like, are we being punished at the beginning? Like,
Just comparing the
Are we
dream
being
or
punished now?
the story of the king, but she's asking when we are waking up from this material world dream.
हाँ.
This means we get punished as well.
No, you are not punished. When your dream will be
punishing. When finished, then you
when
stop being
finished.
punished.
no, because before,
No,
In this condition?
I think you mean that when you realize that you are suffering here,
Yeah.
then do you get punishment?
Well, the realization of the suffering is so
When you
painful that
when
it
you
feels like punishment.
first the actual you are not realize yourself, you are suffering.
But
You
when
understand?
When you start to realize it's very, very
When
painful.
when you will realize you are suffering, then you will completely surrender to Guru and Krishna and do bhajan and sadhana and attend to abode of Lord.
But I personally, I feel like that I'm in this space in between. Like, in
You are,
between realizing
no,
I'm
no,
suffering.
you are
and
not realizing. When your realization will come, when your realization will come, really I am suffering in this material world, in the prison house. Understand? Then you surrender to Guru and Krishna. This is the process also. Huh?
So suffering is mercy.
You are not feeling yourself. You are suffering.
Not completely, like material.
Nothing, not complete nothing. Just you are saying. Huh?
Still attached to
Just speaking. Because all your dream. In the dream, what are you thinking? In, two types of one dream, let right one. In the dream, you are thinking, oh, some person has come and cut my head. You are crying. This is dream or not? You are in your dream. You are just your dream is coming. One person has come and cut your head and ran away. Then you are crying and saying, "Mom, mom, I am crying. Where is my head? Where is my head?" Okay. Just in your dream, you also saying this. Sometimes there are people also in his dream, some speaking, And you can sing. And sometimes people also are and crying. And but if you wake up, I'll be crying. What happened?
Someone cut my hair.
Understand? But no. And sometimes he immediately also he forgets. Just the dream, not more than staying in your mind 50 seconds, 15 seconds, not more than this. Very rare, longer staying. Just when you wake up, gone. Then you wake up, oh, this is too long. Then after few seconds, you forget. Or sometimes the dream also is not what is it, legs and heads, nothing. And upside down. Not sequence is coming anything. And sometimes you can see
Makes no
your
sense,
dream.
Makes no sense.
Makes no any sense. Because very quick. Because in your that the mind, very quickly, subtle mind, very quickly also moving. And very difficult to this. And this is the process. So for this, I would try to understand, this is the psychological effect this way. When you, so for this here, this verse is, Siguru kripai bhengeche sapon, bujechi ekon, tumi to apon, tabo nija jan sangsara karagare. Tabo nija jan sangsara karagare, uddhara amare. When you realize, bujechi means when I really realize, when your realization will come, yeah, I am now suffering in this material. Material, what is called? Understand this. They give an example. This is the fire. If you touch the fire, your hand, your finger will burn or not. Again will not come. Again will not touch the fire because you have this. You realize this is fire. Sometimes give an example, the current connected with the water. They touch your hand, then one time you realization. Then again will not touch it. Because this is that is called just I am giving the material realization. In the same way, when you realize that I am suffering in this material world, saying Eh? Just with your lip service. Eh? Oh, I'm suffering. Eh? But I am happiness. This is actually good. Then realization not coming. When your realization will come, really I am suffering in this material world, then you will pray to Lord how to deliver from this ocean of the Maya Karaga. This is the process. Eh? So this self-realization will come. Eh? अभी हम लोग क्या है, दुख के दुख अनुभव नहीं कर रहे, दुख के सुख अनुभव कर रहे हैं. दुख के हम क्या अनुभव करते हैं? सुख मान रहे हैं. यही तो आश्चर्य की बात है. यू अंडरस्टैंड? अभी हम क्या सोच रहे हैं? दुख के हम क्या मान रहे हैं? वही सुख मान रहे हैं. We are suffering, but we are thinking this is happiness. Eh? This is called the Maya. Maya secretes these things also. Eh? So for this regard, Bhaktivinoda Swami Maharaj is saying, they are, what is called, surfing. Surfing.
Waves is the ocean of material existence.
Actually, they are not surfing, they are suffering. Understand? When the people, they also are there in the waves.
Riding the waves.
Actually, they are suffering. They are thinking, I am very happy. But any time their feet also slip, then finish. आनंद के सुख मानते हैं, ये आनंद के दुख मानते हैं, दुख के सुख मानते हैं. यही तो संसार विचित्र है.
Inverted reflection. We think that happiness is
Real happiness is suffering, and
Suffering is happiness. Happiness is suffering. Eh?
perverted reflection.
So the devotees are happy, no?
Huh? Are who is called devotee? When you completely devotee, as like
Yeah, pure devotee.
Ambarish Maharaj. Eh? You are always saying devotee, but who is devotee?
meaning of bhakti.
Eh? When you give the definition of devotee, the high level, that is the perfect definition. As like Rup Sanatan. Eh? When you will come in the stage of Rup Sanatan, they are not feeling anything. Eh? Understand? 56 दिन रात्रि दिने राधा गोविंद बिना नहीं जाने. चारिदंड श्रुति থাকে রাধা গোবিন্দ দেখে, স্বপ্নে রাধা গোবিন্দ দেখে.
Bhav
Eh?
stage.
Bhav stage. At least bhav stage. We are saying devotee, devotee. Devotee is always, when we put the tilak, he also is devotee.
Can say. One
Devotee is a
perception.
student.
Yeah.
You are saying student. And one who is going to school, he is a student. His name is register book. Student, this is true, devotee.
5 years old.
And 5 years old, maybe. After 5 years, he would also go to school. Taking one bag and going. Student or not. Or you did this also. All the students this way, but different level of student. Understand? Always use this word devotee, but which devotee? What kinds of devotee? What categories of devotee? One who comes at the stage of bhavadasa. Shraddha, sadhusanga, bhajana kriya, unate, nishta, ruchi, asakti, bhav. Or prem. Actually, this is prem dasa. And Raghunath Das Goswami, 3-4 days, he is completely high fever. He did not take anything. Listen to Raghunath Das Goswami. In my books also there. Sanyam Dasakam. Raghunath Das Goswami. He did not eat anything that day. Then Ayurvedic doctor came and checked his pulse. And said, oh, your high fever is coming because in your fever you took rice something. Eh? Oh, the sweet rice goes sweet as eh? Then Brajavasi other to no. 3-4 days he completely what? Fasting, high fever. He did not eat anything. But doctor told, no. I am looking his pearls. I realized he ate some rice, sweet rice, something. But how? Then after Raghunath Das Goswami, did you eat something? They said, yes. How? Well, in my Manasik Seva, I cooked something for Srimati Radhika and offered to Srimati Radhika. That's in my mind. Eh? And Srimati Radhika, she gave her remnants. Look this. Vrindavan Vihari Lal. Eh? Actually, this is what? Suffering, what is it? Raghunath Das Goswami in high fever. External high fever, but internally he was absorbed full the bliss of Srimati Radhika. Radharani Premananda. Eh? Understand? That is called devotee will come. Eh? Student, just we saying students. He is student. But what category of student? Eh? Different categories of students. Eh? One MA PhD also student, he is saying I am student. Devotee, we are saying all we are devotees. But when you come there, devotee, what kinds of devotees? What level of devotees? Eh? Shraddha, sadhusanga, bhajana kriya. Everything depends on your this level. And everything depends on your shraddha. Eh? Devotees depend on according to his shraddha. Shraddha means faith. How much faith? With your Ishtadeva. Some faith is very soft. That is called Kanishta Bhakta. Kanishta Bhakta, unified devotees mean Ishwar. And
Soft faith.
soft faith. Soft faith means Ishwar. And if any problem will come, he will give up everything. And Kanishta Adhikari Bhakta, this is the symptom. Eh? You will give up Japamala, Kantimala, everything. Finish. Kanishta Adhikari. Our Madhyam Adhikari is devotees. Eh? Intermediate devotees. Shastra Gyan, knowledge of the scriptures. Eh? 4 qualifications of Madhyam Adhikari. Devotee. Eh? Ishware taduthinsu balisu didasu cha prema maitri kripa preksha ja karoti samadhyama. Prem has love and affection with Lord. Prema. Maitri. He makes the friendship with devotee of Lord. Prema maitri. Kripa. He gives mercy to others. Or 4th, he neglects those who are against of Guru and Vaishnavas. That is upeksha. Upeksha neglects. They are Madhyam Adhikari qualifications. Are Uttam Adhikari? Everything, Uttam Adhikari, Sarva Bhuteshu Japasyed Bhagavad Bhava Atmana. He looks everywhere is Ishtadev. And all the living entities serves his Ishtadev with his own mood. This is the question. So, Sarva Bhuteshu Japasyed Bhagavad Bhava Atmana. Bhutani Bhagavatani so Esa Bhagavata Uttama. Uttam Bhagavati. So that means when we use this word devotee, devotees are happy, this is true. But which types of devotee? Which level of devotee is happy? As Uttam Bhagavat. Sthavar Jangam Dekhi Nadiketar Murti Jaha Jaha Nitra Pade Ishta Devi Spurti Ban Dekhi Brahmhoy E Vrindavan Jaha Nadi Dekhoye Mare Kalindi Mahapreme Bhasi Jai Kandi. This is the process. He looks in a small mountain, this is Giriraj Govardhan. all the sweet pastimes of Giriraj Govardhan Leela manifest in his heart. And Haridas Thakur, when he is walking on the road, passing on the road, then one snake charmer, he is playing the snake. This way. When Haridas Thakur saw, then Haridas Thakur started to dance. Why? Because Haridas Thakur is thinking, oh, this is Kalyanag. How Krishna danced on the hood of Kali. We are looking. We are not dancing. Haridas Thakur dancing. When Haridas Thakur saw that the snake charmer playing the snake, and the snake also doing this. Haridas Thakur dancing. Why Haridas Thakur dancing? Now Haridas Thakur remembering sweet pastimes of Krishna dancing on the hood of Kali. This lila coming in this. Pramik Bhakta. This thing. So this level. So these types of bhakta you call. स्थावर जंगम देखे ना देखे तार मूर्ति जहाँ जहाँ नेत्र पड़े इष्ट देवी स्फूर्ति means stimulation coming in that. This time. Or now 9 o'clock something. Understand? So devotee is happy, but which types of devotee will be happy? This we also discuss on this. One who completely detached from material world and attain to highest prem. Evam brata sapra nama kritva jatanu rago dujut uchchai hasati atho rodoti roti gayano unumadavat nittati lokavaj. Sinnan suvadrani dathangapani janmani karmani jani jaloke namani gitani tadartakani Ganmadava nittati lokavajja. But just to try to understand, this devotee is different. Everything depends on Shraddha. What kinds of Shraddha have you? This is the question marks come. If soft Shraddha, that is called Kanishthadhikari. Or that Shraddha is little bit mature, that is called Madhyamadhikari. Or when this Shraddha completely mature, and that Shraddha is called Uttamadhikari. Everything depends on your Shraddha. Shraddha, understand? Faith. What kinds of faith? Shraddhavan jan han bhakti adhikari. Kanishta madhyam uttam Shraddha unusar. Here is very clearly Shraddha unusar. According to Shraddha, he will be belongs to that types of devotee. This is the process. Gaur Premanandi. So what? श्रद्धा की दृढ़ता करो.
But the suffering is like according to your Shraddha, right? 80%, 70%, 60%. Then your suffering is also like that, right? 80%, 60% less suffering.
अरे पहले तो सुनो ये कथा जो मैं बताया. अभी दुख के जब दुख रूप में जो अनुभूत होता है तो वो दुख के छोड़ देते हैं. अभी दुख के दुख रूप में अनुभूत हुआ कि नहीं हुआ? अभी दुख के हम सुख मान रहे हैं. जब तक दुख के दुख नहीं मान रहे हैं तब तो उस वस्तु को नहीं छोड़ नहीं पाते. समझ में आते कि नहीं? जैसे उदाहरण दिया मैंने, एक ही तो उदाहरण दिया. जैसे पानी में करंट आ गया, एक बार हाथ लगाया, कष्ट हुआ कि नहीं है? फिर दोबारा आप लगाओ कि नहीं लगाओ? नहीं लगाओ. और फिर दुख के आप दुख अनुभव करें. करंट में हाथ लगा, दुख कष्ट है कि नहीं है? तो ये अनुभव हुआ, फिर दोबारा भी नहीं लगाओ. यही तो बताते जा रहे हैं, दुख के दुख रूप में जब अनुभव हो जाता है,
There's no half realization.
दैट इज गलती, तब नहीं होता।
Realize or not.
Okay,
Half realization.
yes.
You can't get a little bit.
No,
It's a realization or no realization. But
रियलाइजेशन, नो रियलाइजेशन, बस
that's it.
there's no percentage.
There's no in the middle.
नॉट इन द मिडिल।
But still, like you see, like devotees are still happier than non-devotees, you know.
हैं? अरे नॉन डिवोटी की बात ही छोड़ दो, तो अभी तो अपने तो उसको तो कोई बात नहीं, नॉन डिवोटी तो उसके पता है, बात ये नहीं है, पता ही नहीं है भक्ति क्या है, उसको तो पता ही नहीं है, वो तो दूसरी बात है।
No devotee feels more happy than us.
वो तो पूरा बिल्कुल
They can
पानी में
enjoy-
डूबा हुआ है ना,
enjoy the suffering. They can enjoy
वो
the
तो
suffering.
पानी में डूबे हुए हैं, उसके क्या पता है। जो पानी से थोड़ा ऊपर आ जाता है, सांस लेता है, तब बोलते हैं हाँ ऊपर में ऑक्सीजन है। तो जो आप जो नॉन डिवोटी की बात ही नहीं, वो हम नहीं कर रहे हैं, उसे नॉन डिवोटी क्या समझेगा।
No,
Okay, take prasad, then go again.